a 3-digit of regrouping of subtraction. What we going to learn? 3-digit of regrouping of subtraction. In that 3-digit of regrouping of subtraction, how to borrow the numbers from another one, let me see in a small video. So here I share my video. Video.
Hi friends, we are back at the forest. Today, let us learn about subtraction of 3-digit numbers by regrouping hundreds to tens here. Look, snails! There are 438 snails on the ground. 283 of them hid themselves in their shells. How many snails are still out of their shells? Here we get the answer by finding the difference between 438 and 283. So let us group both these numbers into hundreds, tens and ones and then subtract them. Thus, there are 4 hundreds, 3 tens and 8 ones on the ground. Out of which ones themselves. Let us represent each green dot, each 10 with a red dot, and each one with a blue dot. So the number 438 will be represented like this with dots. Now let us cancel the dots equal to the digits in the subtrahend in each column, starting with the dots in the ones column first, then the dots in the tens column, and lastly the dots in the hundreds column. But look, there are 3 dots in the tens column and we need to cancel 8 red dots. We cannot subtract 8 from 3. So we regroup 1 green dot to 10 red dots. As we already know that 1 green dot is equal to 10 red dots. So now we represent 438 with dots like this. Now let us cancel 3 blue dots, 8 red dots and green dots. We are left with 5 blue dots, 5 red dots and 1 green dot. So we get in all 105 tens and 5 ones, which is equal to 155. Thus, 155 snails are still out of their shell. Now, subtract the numbers 438 and 283. Write the numbers in columns. Step 2. Subtract the ones. That is, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Write 5 in the ones column. Step 3. Subtract the digits in the tens column. That is 3 and 8. As 3 is smaller than 8, we regroup 4 hundreds as 300 plus 10 tens. Now we have 10 plus 3 is equal to 13 tens. Therefore, 13 minus 8 is equal to 5 tens. Write 5 in the tens column. Step 4. Subtract the hundreds. That is, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Write in the hundreds column. So, we got the answer as 155. 438 minus 283 is equal to 155. Look at those blue and orange dragonflies. There are 748 blue dragonflies and 374 orange dragonflies. How many more blue dragonflies are there than the orange ones? Here we have to subtract 748 and 374 to find the difference between blue and orange dragonflies. Subtract the ones. That is 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Now subtract the tens. That is 7 from 4. As 4 is smaller than 7, we regroup 700s as 600s plus 10 tens. Now we have 10 plus 4 is equal to 10. Therefore, 14 minus 7 is equal to 7 tenths. Subtract the hundreds. That is, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Thus, 748 minus 374
minus 344.
74. Hence, there are 374 more blue dragonflies than the orange ones. Did you know we can even regroup tens to ones and hundreds to tens together? Let us learn about it tomorrow.
So here I hope everyone understand how to solve the 3-digit regrouping of subtraction. Yes, students? Everyone understand in video? So let me solve that sums in a practically. Okay? I hope everyone having a maths notebook. Everyone having maths notebook. I note answer. Okay? So everyone open your maths notebook. We will going to solve a 3-digit subtraction of regrouping sums in our maths notebook. Okay? So next, whose voice is coming? Aradhya, from your side, why you not mute yourself? Okay, so here we are going to solve the sums of subtraction. In that subtraction sums, you have to give me any of the sums. I will write in our whiteboard. Okay, so here I unmute one of the student. That student will tell me one sum. So we will going to solve. Prachi, I unmute you, beta. Prachi Dhanavde, I unmute you.
Sir,
Okay, Prachi. Now here in our whiteboard, we are going to solve a sums of regrouping of subtraction. It means borrowing sums of subtraction. Okay, can you tell me any of the sums? So we will solve it on the board.
yes.
Okay, so tell me sum. आप मुझे बताओ एक sum.
456.
456 minus what?
220.
200.
242. 242.
Okay, 223 कहते हैं. Okay. 42, it means it is simple digit आ जाएगा. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to draw a column first. 3 digits है तो कितने columns आएंगे?
3 columns.
3 columns. Very good. Okay, so first columns is 100, 10 and ones. Correct. Then we have to skip one row for borrowing. हमें एक रो किसके छोड़ना है? Borrowing के लिए. Then we have to put the numbers 405 tens 6 ones minus 200 7 tens, 3 ones. Okay, so let me solve the, चलो अभी solve करते हैं हम लोग. So here in a ones place what numbers are there? Can you tell me what number are there in a ones place?
6 minus 3.
6 minus 3. Okay, तो 6 से 3 minus होगा बेटा. 6 minus 3 it is possible. Yes.
Yes.
3 it is possible. So 6 minus 3 how much?
3.
3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Okay. Now we will go forward to our tens place. In tens place what numbers are there?
5 minus 7.
So 5 minus 7 it is possible. 5 is a less than 7. Correct. 5 is a less than 7. 5 number 7 से क्या है? छोटा है. तो 5 से 7 minus होगा क्या?
No.
नहीं होगा. तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to borrow the number. We have to borrow the 110 from the another one. कहाँ से लेंगे? यहाँ से लेंगे. ये 4 से हम लोग एक borrow करेंगे. 110 borrow करेंगे. तो चलो borrow करते हैं. अगर 4 से 110 borrow किया, 4 से 110 यहाँ पे दिया. Okay? 4 के पास कितना बचा? How much remaining for from 3? Correct? And 5 as it is ऊपर गया. तो यहाँ पे नंबर क्या बन गया? What number is getting? 15. Correct? What number here we getting in tens place? We getting a 15 number. So 15 minus 7 it is possible.
Yes.
So tell me how much 15 minus 7 it means how much? 15 से 7 minus करेंगे कितना बचेगा? इसके लिए क्या करना है हमें? ये 7 से आगे 15 तक काउंट करना है. 7 के आगे 15 तक काउंट करते हैं. 7 के आगे आता है 8, 9,
9,
11, 12, 13,
10,
14, 15. आए 15 लाइन्स ड्रॉ किए. अभी क्या करना है? What we have to do? We have to count the lines. How many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. 15 minus 7 is equal to how much?
8.
Understood? Now we have to go forward the next 100 place. So 103 minus 2. 3 minus 2 how much?
1.
1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So what answer we getting over here? 456 minus 273 is equal to 183.
83.
Okay. So everyone write it down in your maths notebook. So students, let me see. The next sum is the 560 minus 278. So in that sum, what we have to do? We have to do first, we need to draw a column. Yes, we need to draw a column. So let me draw a column. If the 3-digit sums are there, so we need to draw a 3 digits. Okay. H for 100, T for tens, O for ones. We have to skip one row for the borrowing sums to write the borrowing numbers. Then we have to write 506 tens and 0 ones minus 207 tens, 8 ones. It means 278. So let me subtract the numbers. So here Aditi, can you tell me, so 0 minus 8 it is possible? Yes Aditi, 0 minus 8 it is possible. 0 से 8 minus होगा?
No.
No. So what we have to do? what we have to do? To borrow from this number. Next number क्या है? ये नंबर से हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? बोरो करना पड़ेगा 110. We needs to borrow 110 from next number. नेक्स्ट कॉलम में जो नंबर रहता है वो नंबर से we have to borrow the number. Okay? तो 6 से अगर हम लोग ने बोरो किया 110, so how many remaining from the to the 6? 6 से 110 यहाँ पे बोरो किया, 1 यहाँ पे दिया, तो 6 के पास कितना बचा?
1.
5. 6 minus 5. So this 0 as it is up, तो यहाँ पे क्या बन गया? 10. So 10 minus 8 it is possible. 10 minus 8 it is possible. 10 से 8 minus होगा?
Yeah. No.
नहीं होगा.
होगा.
हाँ, so 10 से minus 8 करेंगे तो क्या आंसर आता है? What is the answer? 10 minus 8.
10 minus 8.
This is our 10 fingers. We need to minus 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many fingers are remaining? 1, 2.
2.
Okay. So 2 is remaining. Now next we have to see. Here are the 5 number. This 5 to 6, 7. 5 minus 7. It is possible. 5 से ये 7 minus होगा?
Yes.
होगा?
Yes.
5 से 7 minus होगा बेटा? 5 is less than 7.
No.
नहीं होगा, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा हमें? ये जो नेक्स्ट नंबर है ना, ये नेक्स्ट 5 नंबर,
Yes.
हम लोग क्या करना पड़ेगा? एक बोरो करना पड़ेगा. सो लेट बी बोरो. अभी ये 5 से 110 बोरो किया, यहाँ पे दे दिया 110. 5 के पास बचा 4 और 110 यहाँ पे दिया, तो यहाँ पे क्या नंबर मिला हमें?
15.
15. अभी 15 minus 7 क्या करना है हमें? 15 minus 7. So how much? 15 minus 7 how much? क्या करना है? 7 के आगे 15 आने तक काउंट करना है. 7 के आगे 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. फिर क्या करना है? उसे काउंट करना है. अभी कितने लाइन्स आए? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 15 minus 7 is equal to
8.
okay. Now then we have to go forward to the 100 place. 100 place पे क्या करना है? 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 it is possible. 4 से 2 minus होगा?
No.
नहीं होगा.
होगा.
ये 2 minus नहीं होगा.
होगा.
So how many remaining? 4 minus 2 how much remaining? 2.
2.
What answer we getting over here?
2.
What answer we getting here? 282. So 560 minus 278 is equal to 282. 282. So are you understand? Everyone understand how to solve the sums? How to solve the regrouping of subtraction? How to solve the borrowing sums? I hope everyone understand. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you everyone.